Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and today I have another video for you guys. Guys, we're at 4,800 subscribers. We're almost at 5,000. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now. Also, if you want to become a member, we're starting to offer a lot of perks, CryptoKip and I, and we're going to be having a private Discord, and we're going to be giving away my trade secrets and kind of my signals on what is going on. If you want to get a more in-depth look at my trading setups, you can click join right there. But okay, let's hop into this video, guys. So first off, I need to congratulate CryptoKip on this, guys. This is huge. I congratulate CryptoKip and the Crow fam. Show some love and retweet this loaded line. Look at what he just got. Guys, this is awesome. I'm so excited for CryptoKip for getting this loaded line. I think it's a beautiful NFT. Go to my Twitter over at 333 Blacksea. Come down here and retweet this tweet, like it, comment, show some love. I mean, this is fantastic, guys. And you know, speaking of NFTs, don't be surprised if you see a new one over here on the Blacksea Twitter here in the next coming days. Don't be too surprised. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think it's going to be. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say about that. So let's hop into crypto.com. So we are still trading in this range right here between about 9 and 10 cents and 5 cents. The volume is still just going slow. We're looking over at the day. Let's look at the 4-hourly. Yeah, we're just trading in this formation right here. The money flow is still coming out. There's still people pulling money out. There's still FUD going on in the market. I've been seeing less and less FUD on crypto.com, but more so just on the overall crypto space as a whole. I've been seeing lots of FUD being, you know, I was talking with some people last night, and some people that were crypto natives and aren't crypto natives, and it kind of sparked an idea in my head because they were talking about how people were reaching out to them, telling them that, oh, you know, should I get out of cryptocurrency? It's starting to look bad. It's starting to look bad. Everything is down. And, you know, usually when that happens, it's kind of like pantomiming the scenario of when the markets are peaking out and you haven't heard from the shoe shiner in a while, and he calls you up and says, hey, you know, I've heard about this Bitcoin thing. Do you think I should get involved in that? It's kind of the same thing as that. I mean, when you hear the shoe shiner or the mailman telling you about cryptocurrency, that's usually the top. And vice versa of when you hear somebody that you don't really speak to that often asking you, hey, should I be getting out of cryptocurrency, or oh, are you all right? Because they know that you're involved in cryptocurrency. It's just an interesting thing to think about right now, guys. And usually what that's telling me right now is if I were to pull that information and extrapolate it from the scenario of it being a bullish scenario and indicating a top when someone's asking me if they should buy, I would say that when people are asking me if I'm okay in the markets, that's usually a bottom signal. When people aren't involved and they're asking you about it, in their perception they think that it's bad. That's usually, guys, we're getting close to a bottom. Like that's the most I can say. We are definitely getting close to a bottom in the crypto industry, especially when you have that and you layer on top of that potential Federal Reserve pivot. I mean, I posted the other day in my previous video about the shipping costs from Shanghai to Los Angeles, and the prices dropped significantly, and that's usually an indication of a economy getting stronger. So there's a lot of variables going on, guys. I really think that we're starting to set up for a really healthy bottom on Bitcoin, and that means upside for all of our altcoins, including crypto.com, guys. But we are just trading in this formation here, not much volume going on. I think we're still going to be trading through here until we have a Bitcoin breakout. But let's go look over at Bitcoin right now because I want to see the chart here. Let's look at the monthly candles here. Actually, let's look at the halvening chart. It's a little bit easier to see a bigger picture of it. Yeah, I mean, the reason why I want to look at the monthly is we're 4 days and 10 hours away from the monthly candle close. And that's usually when a big move tends to happen, especially when we're consolidating. I mean, we're not really consolidating on Bitcoin more so, but we have capitulated in the month of November. We came down about, let's see how far we came down. I think last time I measured this, it was about 30%. Yeah, we're about 30.5% down on the month of November. That's, guys, we're down about 80% from the top, and that's usually as far as we come down from previous cycle tops from bull market to bear market. So, guys, I don't want to say for sure, the bear market's over, but I will say that I do think we're starting to bottom out, and we could trade in this range between the 16,000 to 14,000 or 16,000 to 20,000 for a year, guys. We really could. We could trade from here where we're at right now to the next halvening. That's a few months away, but what we really could do, I know that it'd be painful, but we could do something like this, guys. We could do that for another year. It's definitely plausible, but do I think that there's a high probability chance of that? No, I don't. And the reason I say that is because everyone is bearish right now. People that aren't inside of the crypto industry are bearish, and the outside view, the hive consciousness, is bearish. That usually means there's opportunity. That usually means that we're close to a bottom. But we also have the halvening hype coming, and you guys know I talk about that a lot. 365 days leading into the halvening usually is when the articles start to get written about Bitcoin, and we start to have a little bit of relief rally off the bottom of the bear markets. That's happened here. That's happened down here. And I think that it's reasonable to say that it could happen right here. Or in the next month or two, maybe the first of the year, maybe in 2 months, 3 months. But it's promising, guys. It's promising. We'll go overhead and look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. They added this new band here, which I understand because the models are breaking. And, it's not really appropriate to just alter the models all the time. But I will say that it does make sense. I mean, this model lasted for nearly 10 years, guys. I mean, it did last for about 10 years. That's a very successful model when it lasts about 10 years. That's incredible. And this past cycle, we've had just obscene economic turbulence. Obscene. I mean, the macroeconomics in the past year to 2 years have just been absolutely absurd. Nobody could see it coming. And it was just kind of a perfect storm for bearish activity, money printing, pandemic, war. I mean, you name it, anything bad, it happened, but guys, we're touching this blue band, and they're saying basically fire sale. I mean, the chart says it all. We're definitely getting close to a bottom. We definitely are getting close to a bottom. But, guys, it's important to always take a step out and not be locked up in the echo chamber of crypto. I think that that's what I've learned over the past couple years, is that especially during bear markets, it's important to talk to people that aren't involved in crypto and hear what they have to say about cryptocurrency. Ask them, what do you think about it? And you might be surprised to find, that we are much earlier than you would think, and also that a lot of people have no idea what crypto is, and some people think it's a scam. It's pretty incredible, guys. I really recommend you go out there and talk to some people outside of the echo chamber of crypto, and you might be pleased to find out what you hear. But that's all I got, guys. Please subscribe now. See you later.